Good day everyone, my name is Homer Dumdumaya from BTVTED to the FSMB. And for today's video ay gagawa tayo ng ating tinatawag na tuna pasta. At ito ang ating mga ingredients.
Pasta of your choice, all-purpose cream, fresh milk, tuna, butter, 3 cloves garlic, parsley chopped, cheddar cheese, salt and ground pepper.
Ngayon ay alam nyo na ang mga ingredients natin. Ngayon ay tumugod na tayo sa ating pagluluto. So, tara, let's go!
First, melt butter in pan. Then add the garlic. Cook while stirring until garlic starts to brown. Then add onion. Then add all-purpose cream and cook it for 30 seconds. Pour in fresh milk. Stir and let boil. Then next, add the tuna and cook for 1 minute. Then, put the cheddar cheese into pan and cook for 30-40 seconds. And then, season with salt and ground pepper. Stir until all ingredients are well blended. Lastly, add the cooked pasta. Toss until pasta is coated with sauce. Also, don't forget the parsley for garnish. It's very yummy.
So ito na po ang ating tuna pasta.
Dadali si Mama Mukera.
So tara, tikman na natin.
Kira pa lang mo lang naririnig. Bilisan mo na yan.
So maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking video for today. And yeah, kita-kits tayo ulit sa ating susunod na pagluluto. And Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat at manigong bagong taon. Bye-bye! See you in the next video. Bye-bye!